Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your function keys are not working, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to do is to check if the keyboard is physically damaged or not. So for that, we'll disconnect the keyboard if you're using a USB, if you're connected to the system using a USB cable, and check it on another system. If it works on another system, that means there's a software issue. If it doesn't work, it means your keyboard is damaged. Now, if there's a software issue, there are certain things we can do to fix it. The first thing we need to do is to check whether the function keys are locked or not. So for that, look at the function key, which is located in between the control key and the Windows key of your computer. And then on the function key, if it's written uh, function plus escape, then I'm using an Asus, so it's function plus escape. It may be different for your computer. Just look at the function key and then press the function key along with the escape button, and it should show locked or unlocked. Once it is unlocked, then the function key should start working. If they don't, then you can run an SFC scan. Go to command prompt on in the search bar, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator, and then input the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Now once the SFC scan is done, we will also update the keyboard drivers. So go to device manager, right click on it or click on it, and then look for the keyboard here, expand it, and then right click on the HID keyboard device, click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. Do this for all the HID keyboard devices and then restart the computer. Go to start, click on the power button and then click on restart, and your function key should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.